boy Al, man. Tuned in with them Jennings boys. We got another video for y'all, man. We got Sis with us today. We'll be taking her on her first ride in the Hellcat. About to slide to the car wash and slide to grab some donuts for breakfast. What's your first
My first what?
What's your first impression of the Hellcat?
I like the interior. Man, you being a little extra now. I like the interior. I've been got my seatbelt on. I'm not fooling with you. I like the pink little strip. And
boy, I say we got low range. We need to put some gas in here before we be walking. I filled it up and I'm already on E. One day, from punching and racing and doing all kind of crazy stuff. You said you like the interior and what?
I like the pink. It was a dead thing. I like the pink strip.
What about the color?
I mean, blue's okay.
Okay.
Like baby blue, I feel like would have been better.
I really wanted orange, but you know.
Or orange. Orange would have been nice too.
The blue is looking good, but orange, I don't think orange gonna look right with this interior. So what you think? This interior or the red interior?
I don't know. I really like red.
I'm asking everybody. You like the red?
I really like red interior, but I like peanut butter too. I mean, I feel like you can't go wrong with either one.
I like this one more.
Are we going to the Speedway?
Yeah, Speedway. Everybody used to ride my bike here.
Alright. Bruh, you're doing a lot.
What side is the tank on? This side. Alright, y'all. Let's slide some little gas in here real quick. Got her wet again. She all cleaned up. Need to get some tire shine. I gotta stop by me some more tire shine. Somebody at the shop done used all my tire shine. I think it was Otto. Otto, you owe me some more tire shine, bro. Oh. Hey, it's still kind of cold out there. It's still very cold out there. I need to warm up. Turn the camera this way a little bit. Yeah, there you go. Back in sport mode.
Oh, you gotta press the button to do that?
Yeah. When you start it to be automatically in that regular little eco mode. Now we in sport mode. My hands frozen. I need a jacket. I thought it was gonna be nicer out today. At least it ain't raining. Right?
Why do you keep doing that?
It was an accident. I just barely hit the pedal, you know.
Nigga.
Barely tapped it. You get sideways. It just happened like that. It just happens. You know what I'm saying?
No, I don't understand.
That cat be ready to jump out the motherfucking hood. You feel me?
Nah.
You ready for your graduation? What you mean?
I mean, yeah, but what's there to do in Boston?
I don't know. We gonna turn up for sure though. I found one little spot. We're gonna get a table at section table, whatever it is. It's like a little club slash.
A section and the table might be two different things.
Yeah. I sent you the video.
I mean, I just got back on Instagram.
I'm sorry, you was missing for it. I don't know. It looked turned. Get your seatbelt on.
Yes, nigga, I never took it off.
Put mine back on. That's gonna be. I mean, that's one spot. We need to find another spot.
I think we're there for 3 days.
We ain't go to the casino. The casino got a club too. We need to find somewhere good to eat. Yeah, we definitely gotta find somewhere good to eat. Is y'all walking or what's the deal on that?
Walking. Oh.
For your graduation?
I don't know. Last time I heard, we wasn't. They're having something on Thursday, like a little celebratory thing, and then on Friday we going to the park, but. And it's like a graduation, but I just don't know if we're walking across the stage or not.
So like, we still gonna come, and everybody gonna be there. It's just
yeah.
I don't know. So that's gonna be fast, then, right?
Yeah, they said it should only be like a 90 to 100.
Your last graduation, well, I fell asleep 3 times.
Boy, fuck you.
It was long as hell. Auntie, what was her name?
Who?
Auntie was up there talking for about 35, 45 minutes, saying the same thing.
Yeah.
That's cool.
It do be pretty boring.
You said it's Thursday through Sunday.
No,
So
Thursday
what's the
through
thing,
Saturday.
What's the thing Thursday? You said it's a...
Thursday, as soon as we get there, it's like a... I think that's like a celebratory thing. Since I don't really know. Okay, I really don't know.
What they gonna be doing?
I don't
Is that
really.
just
I
for
don't
you,
know.
Or is it like
It's
be
you
there?
celebrate the graduates and y'all gonna be there.
Okay.
But like I don't know. I don't know.
Well, you don't never know nothing.
I don't.
Boy,
Okay.
you kind of slow. Special. I don't even know how you graduating. What you getting?
I'm getting my master's. Thank you very much. Asshole.
Cat, we need to find somewhere to really open it up. You feel me? Somewhere to get sideways at, so we gotta get out this residential. Where you said we going? Donuts? What's it called?
Bills, donuts.
They don't got no Krispy Kreme here no more, do they?
I don't know. I never really like. You the one that like Krispy Kreme with the hot light.
Yeah, I don't like this week. Bills.
Bills
All
is
y'all be
it.
talking about. We about to see.
I like Bills. You love this car a little too much. Look at you. I'm dead.
We out of gas before we get back. I'm gonna need some new tires by next week.
Probably.
That's cool though. I'm gonna get some new tires and we're about to get some Ford used to. What kind of rims? What kind of colors rim should I get? Black and blue.
I didn't know they came in different colors.
You can paint them.
Isn't that ghetto though?
How's that ghetto?
Like paint them with spray paint or like
No,
paint them?
like professionally paint them.
I mean black or blue. Or what if you did like
It's only
blue and black like every
I was
other
gonna do
thing?
Black.
No.
You can design them.
Yeah. What if you did every other? What if you did every other one?
Nah, I'm gonna probably do the face. I don't know. I might do the face black with like some blue insert things, and then
What are insert things?
do the lip black. I have to show you some examples. Show you some examples. I know you don't want to race in the Mozzie. Your little burger Mozzie you got. Little Maserati. What happened to your Benz? You about to graduate? You were supposed to be getting the Benz, wasn't you?
Why are you Shut up.
I was just asking. Mom Duke said if you graduate,
Mom,
you was getting a Benz.
Mom did say I was
ask
getting
her
a Benz. Look, they killing you
where her
right
Benz
there.
at. What was that?
Shoulda. That was a.
That was an RT.
I'm just playing.
You don't want no smoke.
I'm on to the Audi Q8s. I like those.
Them junk.
Jump.
Them junk.
And I like the G-Wagon. But
You can't afford that. I'm sorry. You're going to have to get your rackades up first. Get your bag up first before you can get that.
anyways.
That one I looked at last time, that motherfucker was $250 at AMG.
Yeah, that's I like the AMGs. I like the AMG trucks. Like the
You don't like the Lexus trucks?
no, not really. They give me like old people vibes.
Old people vibes.
Like
You wanna
maybe I just
Range
didn't see
Rover?
one that I like.
them
No,
too.
yeah, I heard that was terrible.
Benz truck. Did you turn the seat warmers on?
I mean, I'd be cold, so probably did.
Why you turn mine on though? That's it right here, ain't it? Ain't it on Main Street?
Yeah, so like, well, I didn't think he was gonna come this way, but I do think it's it's down here.
That's the fastest way. You don't want to be taking them long detours.
Cut through here and there. We can always
No,
go
she cold. She tripping.
She running.
She tripping. It's cold.
I'm gonna keep my
I ain't
comments
been
to
over here in
myself.
a minute.
Oh, I actually need to go to the license bureau. My tag's been expired for a year.
What?
I didn't know. Like, I didn't know you had to go like every year on your birthday to go renew your plates.
You really slow, for real. You about to get stroked.
And every time I try to go, well, I was gonna go Friday.
You gotta go in the morning.
Yeah, but that one got a drive-through, so. But you gotta pay extra. It's like skipping the line.
Nah, that one do got the drive through. That one fast, and it's only like $3 extra. Told you get your bag up, man. Quit playing, man.
Boy. You know about to keep coming for me.
You had a job.
I do have a job.
Can't tell. Gotta get your bag up. Y'all better tell her, man. Get her bag up, man. Good plan.
You not about to be on camera acting like I'm broke. Okay?
I mean, you do be calling me for loans and
No. Now he's definitely capping.
calling me for loans. I'll be having to cash app you and stuff.
Nigga, you don't even got Cash App. Shut up. You just capping. Get on the other lane.
We gotta go in the front or the back door?
The back, nigga.
The back?
Yeah.
Told you I ain't never been here before.
How have you never been to Bill?
I mean, it's on the other side of town. This ain't in my hood. This ain't in my hood, man. It's all on the other side of town. Is it a big selection of donuts?
Yeah.
You said what?
It is. Does it smell good?
It do smell good. They got muffins too?
Yeah, that's okay.
Is this the whole selection or is the donuts in the
That
bag?
is. Some right there.
What you get?
I'm getting a butter twist.
What's a butter
Mom wants
twist?
some peanut butter. Butter twist up there.
What's the peanut butter? See what they's talking about.
Oh, we can eat in the car?
Nah, we can't. I can eat in the car, not you.
You petty as hell.
Which one should I try first?
Well, can I just take a bite of mine?
Just the butter twist?
Yeah, I got a butter twist. You got a butter twist.
What mom get?
Peanut butter.
Where? I don't see no peanut butter in here.
Is peanut butter filling goofy?
Where is that?
Oh, wait. They forgot it.
You gotta go back in.
I do. Damn.
Let me see what this talking about, bro.
No,
Oh, I see
no,
what
it's at the bottom. It's at the bottom, right there.
You sure?
Yeah, it's wrapped up. Because, you know, people be allergic to
okay.
peanut butter.
That's alright.
Fire.
Probably because they fresh. I think the last time I had it, I had some stale ones or something. Some
Pretty good.
leftover. These right here kind of fresh. Like that, we just smoked it out.
Yeah, smoke all in the car.
You gotta roll the windows down. Bang, bang. Man, make sure y'all go, subscribe to the channel, man. Hit that post notification bell, man.
Jada's first ride in that kizzy.
We'll holla back at y'all, man.